Okay, here we go across Northwest Florida. I was setting this up and there you go. The sanctity of our beaches. Not even they are immune. As I look from the Days In camera on Panama City Beach. If you know, you know. Let's talk a little bit about what's going to be happening weather-wise across our area. A few changes. Got some severe weather possible. It's not a great chance, but SPC has outlooked our area for a small chance. Look at that beautiful sunshine today. Southerly winds bringing in that moisture. At least it feels pretty warm across our area. And there you see the live look from the end of the pier there over at, that's over at Pineapple Willie's. So here's what's going on. Moisture increasing across our area. You see the sea breeze making its way inland this afternoon. There you see onshore winds, southerly winds taking over, and that upticks the humidity across our region. Temperatures warm, 80s, 70s and 80s inland, 70s down along the coastline, a little bit cooler there. Now, risk of severe weather tomorrow. Notice the western panhandle, interior sections of the panhandle, possible, a marginal 5% chance of severe weather. Not overly concerned about it, but it is a change I wanted to let you know about. The main threat of severe weather up towards Nashville and into Kentucky with a slight risk of severe weather up there. Now, as we move into your Saturday, a marginal risk of severe weather from Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina. Not necessarily here, just a general risk of thunderstorms. But here's what's going on. I want to show you as we head into your Friday, looking at the future clouds and radar. Again, you're not seeing a whole lot out there. If we saw anything, I think it would be over like late Friday, early Saturday morning. And everything scoots to the east and some quiet weather. This isn't going to be a significant event across our region. This is our Barron model. Here's the HER model. And again, it's not showing a whole lot more, maybe a few more thunderstorms. Again, this is a late Friday night, early Saturday morning. You can see a couple of those storms sliding through our area. That would be it if we saw anything. So again, I won't get your hopes up. Rainfall amounts over the coming days not going to be very high. You see, even with our rain chances, it's 30%, and that's about it on Saturday. That severe weather threat, again, overnight, late Friday night, early Saturday, very, very marginal. Look at that cold weather coming into the panhandle as we head on in through the next week. Monday, Tuesday in particular, warms up after that. So anyway, that's the very latest on the threat of maybe some severe weather Friday night into early Saturday. But again, I won't hang my hopes on it. What I would know is that it's going to be cold early next week.